Harris County is now addressing the issue of the severe backlog of criminal cases by adding a dozen new prosecutors. The backlog also having a big effect on dangerous suspects being released on bond and the ability to bring them to justice.
Which brings us to tonight's breaking bond as we now reach 120 residents who have been killed by someone who a judge allowed to walk free despite repeat bond violations. Fox 26's Randy Wallace live from downtown continuing his series. Randy.
Caitlin, we have found at least 15 instances where judges gave repeat violent offenders yet another bond, even after they were charged with murder. What kind of sense does that make? 38-year-old Brandis Andrus's criminal history is so lengthy, he has more mugshots than some people have selfies. But that didn't stop 185th Criminal District Court Judge Luong from allowing Andrus to be a free man, giving him 3 felony bonds, one for assaulting a family member last year. On June 14th, police say Andrus and another man murdered 35-year-old Roderick Miller.
He ran after him, he shot at him multiple times and still kept shooting at him. I mean, this was pretty brutal and pretty cold-blooded.
But not cold-blooded enough for Judge Luong to keep Andrus in jail, even after being charged with murder.
Wait a second, he's bonded out? I said, oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. The guy's already on 3 bonds.
2 days after he was arrested, Andrus walked out of jail because Judge Luong set bond at $200 grand. Andrus is now accused of killing the 127th Harris County resident to fall victim to the courthouse's revolving door.
There is at least 15 defendants on that 127 list who were originally on multiple felony bonds, charged with murder, that are back out on bonds. And you, Randy, have done several of their stories.
He had a whole life ahead of him. This could have been prevented.
Last February, we told you how 17-year-old Raul Zarco would be alive now if 262nd Criminal District Court Judge Lori Chambers Gray would have done what the DA's office asked her to do, revoke 21-year-old Raul Alexander Leon's bond. Now Leon is charged in the murder of Raul Zarco. Like Judge Luong, Gray decided to free Leon yet again, even though he was accused of murder.
Maybe if she would put herself in somebody else's shoes that lost somebody who had a whole life ahead of him, then maybe she would think differently.
Now, if there are any criminal district court judges out there who truly care about public safety, call me. Let's do an interview. Reporting live from downtown, Randy Wallace, Fox 26 News.